For years, astronomers and space lovers have been enthralled with Saturn, a celestial marvel situated 6 planets away from the Sun in our solar system. Recognized for its breathtaking ring system and distinct characteristics, Saturn never ceases to elucidate secrets and fascinate scientists. We'll look at some amazing details of Saturn in this video that show just how unique it is in our cosmic neighborhood. Spectacular rings. The most famous aspect of Saturn is its ring system, which is known to be captivating. These rings, which are primarily made of ice and rocky debris, create a stunning sight that can be seen from Earth even with a modest telescope. Saturn's rings are made up of innumerable tiny particles that orbit the planet, forming an intricate and exquisite pattern. The rings are not solid. 2. Ring composition. Saturn's rings are categorized into 3 main groups: A, B, and C. The A and B rings are separated by the Cassini division, which is a ring gap. The rings are composed of different-sized pebbles, dust, and ice. Science is still investigating the precise source of Saturn's rings, with suggestions ranging from debris from a broken moon to material from comets that have passed by. 3. Gigantic size. Out of all the planets in our solar system, Saturn is the second largest, barely larger than Jupiter. Its diameter is approximately 74,900 miles, 1,500 kilometers, and its main constituents are helium and hydrogen. One reason for Saturn's unique gravitational pull on neighboring moons and spacecraft is its sheer size. 4. Distinctive atmosphere. Like its larger neighbor, Jupiter, Saturn's atmosphere is primarily made of hydrogen and helium. On the other hand, Saturn's atmosphere has hexagon-shaped storm in its north pole and noticeable cloud bands. For years, scientists have been baffled by the hexagon, a recurring pattern in the clouds, and they are still trying to figure out what causes it. 5. Orbital eccentricity. It takes Saturn roughly 29.5 Earth years to complete one orbit, with an average orbital distance of around 886 million miles, 1.4 billion kilometers from the Sun. The orbit of the planet is more elliptical because it is more eccentric than Earth's. The variations in Saturn's orbital distance from the Sun are a result of this eccentricity. 6. Enigmatic moons. With more than 80 known natural satellites, Saturn has a large family of moons. Titan, the biggest moon of Saturn, is particularly noteworthy among them. The only moon in our solar system with a thick atmosphere is Titan, which is mostly made up of ethane, methane, and nitrogen. Even NASA's Cassini spacecraft has focused its exploratory missions on it. 7. Magnetic mystery. The magnetic field strength of Saturn is second only to that of Jupiter. The magnetic field of the planet is around 578 times stronger than that of Earth. Interestingly, peculiar magnetic activity and auroras near Saturn's poles are caused by the tilt of the planet's magnetic field axis with respect to its rotational axis. Scientists and astronomers alike are still captivated by Saturn because of its magnificent rings, enormous size, and fascinating features. As our knowledge of the solar system expands, Saturn continues to be a celestial giant that astounds with its distinct features and mysterious beauty.